Hey everyone, it's Liam Mulcahy here with the SAT Initiative. We're looking at intercepts, and let's go ahead and get started. So here's the first question. So it says, identify each of the x and y intercepts in the relation shown. So I want you to pause the video and see if you can do that. If you don't feel like pausing it, here's the answer. There's an intercept, that's an x-intercept. There's a y-intercept, and there's another x-intercept. Alright, on to the next question. Okay, which has one x-intercept and one y-intercept. So in B, that's our y-intercept. There's a y-intercept in A. There's an x-intercept. There's an x-intercept, another intercept, an x-intercept in B. So right now B has an x-intercept and a y-intercept. It's looking good for B. And now in D, we got only one x-intercept. So our answer is B. Alright, you see how that works? One x-intercept and one y-intercept. Alright, now it says which equation represents a horizontal line. Remember, x equals means it's going to be a vertical line, and y equals means it's going to be a horizontal line. And now, so it says horizontal, so we're going to go for the y value. Y value is 5, so we're looking for y equals 5. Oh, sorry, couldn't even see it there for a second. Yep, answer choice B. Alright, let's see what else we got. Okay, so now we have to remember the definition of x-intercept and y-intercept, how you get them in an equation. So we get an x-intercept by setting y equal to 0, and you get a y-intercept by setting x equal to 0. And you can get some intuition by this, or for this, by looking at a graph. And so let's go ahead and write this out. So x-intercept means you set y equals 0, y-intercept means you set x equal to 0. So we're going to write out our equation replacing f of x with y. So we got y equals negative 4x plus 2. We set the y value equal to 0. We're going to solve for x now. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, one down. There's our point. We got 1/2 for x, 0 for y. That's what the ordered pair looks like. Alright, next part of the question. Y-intercept. We set x equal to 0. So now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to put a 0 in for x, and then we realize that the y will be equal to 2. So our ordered pair is going to be 0, 2. Now we're going to look to see what answer choice has that written out. And we get answer choice D. Alright? So that's all I got for you. Those are the released questions for x and y intercepts. And I hope it all makes sense. Just remember that it's the opposite of what you might think. To get x-intercepts, you set y equal to 0. To get y-intercepts, you got to set x equal to 0. Alright? Good luck studying for your test, and check out some of the other videos. Thanks.